Model number 1, geometry. Verb 3, okay? Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. The acute angle complements space angle. Complements, it means the sum of two angles equal 90 degrees. Then the acute angle complements acute angles. If we have this acute angle here, and it will be behind it acute angles, then we must choose letter B, acute angles. Okay, the acute angle complements acute angle. Question number 2, the slope of straight line whose equation y equal 3. What about y equal 3? It's meaning straight line here, cut y dash at the point 0 and 3, and it will be parallel to x axis dash. Then we can find the slope here, it will be 0. Then the slope will be 0. Or we know y equal mx plus constant. It's equation about straight line, and we haven't here slope. Then slope it will be equal 0. Okay, choose letter A about question number 2. Slope equals 0 here. Question number 3. EB is diameter in a circle M, where M equal 2 and -1, the center about the circle, and we have diameter A and B, and M is the center about the circle. He give us the order of M, it will be 2 and -1, and point B, he want to find the point of B and give us point E equal -2 and 3. Then we can find the order of B, put B equal X and Y, and write the rule. We know M equal 2 and -1, it will be the sum of X and X1 and X2 over 2, X plus -2 over 2, and Y plus 3 over 2. Then we can find the first projection 2 equal first projection here, x minus 2 over 2, and first projection -1 equal y plus 3 over 2. Then 2 times 2 it will be 4, 4 equal x minus 2, 2 minus 2 times -1 it will be -2, it will be y plus 3. X minus 2 equal 4, then x will be equal 6. And -2 equal y plus 3, then y will be what? Moved here, it will be -2, and -3 it will be -5. We have x and y. This is the order about point B, it will be 6 and -5. Understood? Where you want to find the coordinate of point B, 6 and -5, choose letter D. Question letter B. If A equals 3 and 1, and B equal 1 and 2, B, C 5 and 4, prove that BC equal twice EP. Okay. About question letter B, we can find BC, the distance between two of them, square root about x2 minus x1 power 2 plus y2 minus y1 power 2. Then BC equals square root of, we have point x, point B and C. Okay. First x2 minus x1, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 power 2 plus y2 minus y1, we have here B and C, 4 minus 2. And then BC equals square root of 5 minus 1 equal 4, 4 power 2 equals 16. 4 minus 2 equal 2, 2 power 2 it will be 4. Square root of 16 plus 4 it will be 20. Square root of 20 it will be 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Okay. Side length about BC. 2 root 5. Length unit. And what about AP? We can use the rule about AP to find the result. Square root about x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. Here power 2 and here power 2. Choose the result will be what here? A and B. A and B. Okay, why 1 minus 3 power 2, 1 minus 3 power 2, and 2 minus 1 power 2. Then AB 1 minus 3, it will be negative 2 power 2, it will be 4. 2 minus 1 1 power 2 equal 1. Then the result will be root 5. Then we have AB and BC. It will be length unit. Then BC is twice of AB. 2 times root 5, it will be root 5. Okay, then BC twice AB. Question here, number 2, choose the correct answer. Number 1, the two perpendicular straight lines to third are what? Two perpendicular straight line. We have two perpendicular straight lines are parallel to such that this pen and this pen. We called it two perpendicular straight line third to third are بيكونوا ايه the two perpendicular first straight line and second straight line. Two perpendicular lines to third are parallel. Choose letter A. Letter A, parallel. Two perpendicular straight lines to third are parallel. Question number 2. Here, letter B. Okay, question number 2. The area of square, they give us area equal 18 square centimeters. In the length of side diagonal, to find diagonal about square, we know all sides are equal in length. He give us the area equal 18, and we have rule about area. Area about square equal half times diagonal power 2. Okay, half of square of diagonal. And then, but A equal 18. A reverse to the area. A reverse to the area. Then 18 equal half multiplication d power 2. To find the diameter, cancel half by multiplication by 2. Left hand side, right hand side. 2 times 18, it will be 36. Equal diameter power 2. Then diameter would be square root of 36. It will be 6 centimeters. Then the side length here of diagonal, it will be 6 centimeter. Okay, understood? He give us the area, and we know the area of a square equal half multiplication diameter times itself, or d power 2. Then the result will be 6. Okay. Question number 3. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. We have right angle triangle here at B, and here APC. We have AB twice EP equal root 3 multiplication by EC. Then EP will be equal root 3. AB equal root 3. Okay, and EC will be equal to, again, EB will be equal root 3 and EC will be equal to, you can find the side lengths from Pythagoras. BC power 2 equal hypotenuse power 2 subtract by side power 2. The result will be 1. Square root about 1 will be 1. This side length, it will be 1. Okay, then you want to find the measure of C. To find the measure of C, the opposite 30, the opposite was root 3, and here 1. Then this angle will be 30 and this angle will be 60. Or you can solve this example by another method. We know this angle was theta. They have triangle here, and it was root 3 and 1, and here 2. And we want to find, in this example, measure of angle C. Okay, and we know tan theta, this theta, okay, or tan C equal opposite over adjacent root 3 over 1. And then using calculator to find measure of angle C, write shift 10, write in your calculator shift 10 C, shift 10 result here root 3, shift 10 root 3, and then write equal it will be what? It will be 60. 10 shift 10 root 3 by using calculator. Okay, shift 10 root 3, it will be 60. You can use a calculator or your mind as you like. It was 30 and here 60. Do you know this triangle? Okay, it's very easy for you. Next question. Okay, next question, letter P. If the points A, B, C are collinear, find value of x. Collinear, it's meaning all points in the same straight line. We have point A and B and C, and we want to find the value of x. Then we will write collinear here, it's meaning the height side equal the sum of smallest side, or you can find the slope of AP, it will be equal slope of AC. Okay, and then equality is the result. A and B, we have A equals 0 and 1 and B equal x and 3. The slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 3 minus 1 here, right? 3 minus 1 over x minus 0. And slope of AC, A and C, x2 here first y2 minus y1. The slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the rule about the slope. Okay, then the slope of AC, we can find y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. About AC, where AC here in this example, A and C, 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 0. Then the slope here, it will be 5 minus 1, 4 over 2, it will be 2. And here 3 minus 1, it will be 2. X minus 0 equal x. Then we have two numbers equality, 2 over x, it will be 4 over 2 equal 2. Then x will be equal 1 because 2 over 1 equal 2. Again, this example, the slope about AB equals slope of what? AC. AB equals slope of AC because 3 points are collinear. Collinear, 3 points lies in the same straight line. Then the slope about AB equals slope of AC and the equality of them to find a known variable here x equal 1. Next question. Question number 3. If cosine x equal sine 30 tan 45, find the value of tan x. First, I will find the value of x here. We know cosine x will be sine 30, it will be half, and tan 45, it will be 1. Then cosine x, it will be half. Then x here will be what? Cosine 60, it will be half. Then x here, it will be what? It will be 60 because cosine 60 equal half. Cosine 60 equal half. Okay, then he won't find the value about this expression. We have another expression here. This expression right here, 10 power 2 x subtract by sine power 2 x subtract by 50. Then put x equals 60. Then 10 power 2 is 60. About this angle, subtract sine power 2 about 60, subtract by 15. 10 60, it's reversed to what? 10 60 from right angle triangle. This 30 and here 60, and here 1 and 3 and here 2. Then 10 60, it will be 2 over 1. 2 over 1. Again, we have here 30, opposite 1, and here 2, and here root 3. 10 60, it will be root 3 over 1. Subtract by sine power 2, 60 minus 15, it will be 45. Root 3 power 2, it will be 3. And sine 45, it will be 1 over root 2 from this right angle triangle. We have here 45 until 45 and 1 and 1 and root 2. Then sine 45, this angle equal 1 over root 2. The result will be 3 subtract by half. 3 minus half, it will be 2 and half. Will be 5 over 2, 2.5. Okay, anything. The result here, it will be 3 subtract by half, 2 and half, or 5 over 2, or 2.5. We can find here the value about this expression. Understood? Next question. Letter B, in triangle APC, we have APC and D and E are midpoint of AB and EC. Find the equation of, we have triangle here, A, B, and C. And we give us the order of A, order of point here 2 and 1, and B 2 and 5, and C 3 and 4, and D, E are the midpoint of AB and EC. AB here we have the midpoint D of AB, and E the midpoint of AC. Okay, find the equation of DE. You want to find the equation about this straight line. Okay, to find the equation about straight line ED, first we must find the point E, the order of E, and the order of D. Okay, we can find the order of E by using this rule about midpoint E and C. We can find the point E. It will be 2 plus 3 equal 5 equal 2, and 1 plus 4 over 2, because its lies is the midpoint or the middle between E and C. E, it will be what? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 over 2. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 over 2. Okay, it's the order of E. And the order of D, we can add 2 plus 2 over 2 and 5 plus 1 over 2. Okay, understood? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Understood? We have D and E. To find the equation of this straight line such that L, then L reverse to straight line here, and then L equal Y equal mx plus constant. I will write this equation of the straight line as you like. You can change the sign of all as you like, but I write m here, or you can write such that question, last question, write k here and m. Okay, to be exactly, k reveals to the slope. K, it will be the slope. The slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 about straight line ED. ED, y2 minus y1, it will be 2.5, 5 over 2, it will be 2.5, and here 2.5, to be easy for you to find the result, because D is the midpoint about A and B. Okay, A and B. Again, we have here D and E. D is the midpoint of AB. 2 plus 2 over 2, 5 plus 2 over 2, and E, midpoint of AC. Here, E equal 2 and 1, and C equal 3 and 4. 2 plus 3 over 2, and 1 plus 4 over 2. Okay, it's true. Complete with me about slope K here, about this point and this point. To find the slope about straight line here ED, find y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. y2 it will be 2.5 minus 3 over x2 minus x1, 2.5 minus 2. Then the difference between them, it will be negative 0.5. Okay, and here it will be 0.5. Then the result will be negative 1. It's the k reverse to the slope. The slope will be negative 1 here. And the constant, to find the constant m, you must put any point E or D in this equation to find the constant. Then L such that y will be equal, put k equal negative 1. Then the equation will be, put k here equal negative 1. Okay, be attention with me about this equation. Put k equal negative 1. Then we can write negative 1 multiplication by x will be negative x plus m. Put in this example this point or this point as you like. We will put E equal or D. Okay, put D here. Put 2 and 3 because D belong to straight line. D, why we put 2.3 such that this point was D is belong to straight line ED. Then put x equal to and y will be equal 3 in this straight line. Okay, then put x equal 2 here and y will be 3. Then 3 will be equal negative 2 plus m. Then m will be equal 5. Moving negative 2 to left hand side, see negative 2 plus, it will be moving by change the sign. 2 plus 3 it will be 5. Then m here equal 5. Okay, we have the constant here and the k equal negative 1. Then the equation about straight line L such that y will be equal negative x plus 5. It's the equation of straight line, negative x plus 5, because we get here the slope equal negative 1 okay, slope was negative 1 and the constant 5. Then the equation y equal negative x plus 5, negative x plus 5. Okay, understood this example? It's very easy or not? You must study hard this question letter B. Okay, question number 4. In the opposite figure, find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, we have tan theta. Draw triangle with me again. Here, right angle triangle at A, and it was perpendicular to the base D, and here B and C, and it was 35 or 15. This side here 15 centimeter. Okay, and they give us tan this angle BAD, tan BAD this angle. Okay, tan this angle equal what? 3 over 4. Okay, we know tan equal opposite over adjacent, and they give us AB equal 15 centimeter, and it was perpendicular. We want to find the area about this triangle. Okay, this angle he give us this angle, tan this angle equals 3 over 4, and this angle again BAD, okay, this angle such that tan BAD, we know tan equal opposite over what? Adjacent, equal BD over DA. He give us tan, it will be 3 over 4. Okay, and then we can write here unknown m and here m. Then the side length BD it will be 3m, right here 3m, and DA it will be 4m, right here 4m, and then we can using Pythagoras theorem to find m here. And after to find m, you can find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, how? By using the rule. We know 15 power 2 from Pythagoras. 15 power 2 is this triangle. 15 power 2 equal 3m power 2 plus 4m power 2. 15 power 2 it will be 225, and 3m power 2 it will be 9m power 2. And 4m power 2 it will be 16m power 2. And then write 225, 9 plus 20 plus 50, 9 plus 16, it will be 25m power 2 divided by 25. Then m power 2 equal what? 225 divided by 25, it will be what? You can tell me 9 or 8? 9, because 8 times 25 equal 200. Then the result will be 9. Okay, then m power 2 equal 9, so m will be square root of 9, it will be 3. M here will be 3. Then 3 times 3 it will be 9, and 3 times 4 it will be 12. Then side length here 9, and this side length it will be 12. And then he want to find the area about triangle ABC, the long triangle. Okay, who can tell me the area about this triangle? It will be half times base times height, but we don't know this side or this side. We don't know the side here, but we can find the side length. This angle in the first triangle here, it's equality about what with the right angle triangle, and this angle here common between two triangles. If we write first triangle ABC and second triangle ADB, it's a common angle between them, and it's right, and this angle will be equal this angle here, and this angle will be equal this angle. So we can choose tan this angle, tan angle BAD, tan this angle equals this angle. Okay, to find the area you must find another side length here, such that I will complete here steps. I will put this angle here, dot and d dot. Okay, this angle equals this angle, such that he give us this information. Tan BED equal this angle BED, this angle equal opposite 9 over what? 9 over 12, or 3 over 4 in the first triangle, small triangle. And this angle it will be equal this angle, this congruent between two triangles, BAD first triangle and second triangle PCA. Again, BDA, this triangle, BDA and BAC. BDA, B, okay, I will write it again. Two triangles here. First triangle, BDA is congruent to another triangle, BDA, congruent to this triangle, BAC. Then the tan of theta about BAD equal tan BCA. Okay, this is angle. Then tan this angle about the greatest triangle opposite over adjacent, 15 over AC. We can find the side length here, AC. Then AC will be 15 times 4 over 3. 15 times 4 equal 60 divided by 3, 20, or 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 times 4 equal 20. Then this side length will be 20 meter or 20 centimeter. Then this side it will be 20 centimeter. Okay, then you can find area of triangle. Then area of triangle, it will be half multiplication by base 15 times the height 20. Half times 15 times 20. half times 15. 15 is the base, and 20 is the another hair base or height. Because we have right angle triangle, two bases were perpendicular for each other. Half times 15 times 20. Half times 20 equal 10. 10 times 15, it will be 150. The result will be 150 square centimeter. It's the area about this triangle. Okay. Question 6. Is the straight line L1 path through point 3, 1, 2, and 2, and the straight line L2 make the positive direction of x-axis a positive acute angle measure E, where sine E equal 1 over root 2. Prove that L1 and L2 perpendicular. Okay, to prove that L1 and L2 perpendicular, if we found the slope of L1 and L2 and find slope 1 product by M2 equal -1, then L1 will be perpendicular to L2. Okay, so in this example, I want to find M1. M1 refers to the slope about first straight line. We have L1 passing through 2.31 and 2 and 2, so the slope will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have here 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 3. 2 minus 1 equal 1. 2 minus 3, it will be -1, then the result will be -1. And M2 equal about second here straight line. He give us, we know M2 equal tan theta. Okay, he give us sine or angle here theta, or this angle will be E. He give us in the example sine E about this angle, give us here 1 over root 2. Sine angle equal 1 over root 2. Then this angle we called E, and sine will be 1 over root 2, and this sine will be 2. So we will have isosceles right angle triangle. Then this angle will be 45. Then tan E, it will be M2 tan E, E equal 45. Tan 45, it will be 1. Then M1 equal -1 and M2 equal 1, such that M1 multiplication by M2 equal, here we have here -1 times 1, it will be -1. Then L1 will be perpendicular to L2. Okay, it's a solution about this example, because L1 times L2 equal what? -1. It's meaning L1 and L2 was perpendicular. Next question, number 5, letter E. L1 parallel to L2, where this, okay, letter A, ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. We have isosceles angle triangle where AB equal EC, AB equal EC equal 12.6 centimeter. A measure of angle C equal 54 degree. This angle 54 degree. Okay, 54 degree. And 24, okay, I will write here 54 degree at 24 second. Okay, find the nearest one decimal place to the length BC. We want to find this length. Okay, I will draw here perpendicular to the point M. If we find MB or MC, I will multiplication by 2 to find all side lengths here. Okay, we know EB equal EC equal 12.6. Then we can solve this right angle triangle here, AM and triangle AMC. This right triangle here, we can find the side CM. CM, we have relation about CM and adjacent here. CM is adjacent about this angle. Adjacent, we have adjacent and hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse, we called it what? We called it cosine, such that cosine angle C equal CM over AC. Okay, then cosine about this angle 54 and 54 degree and 24 second equal cm over AC equal 12.6. Then we can find side length of cm by using calculator. Write cosine this angle 54 degree, cosine 54 degree 24 second or minutes, multiplication by 12.6 to find the result. The result will be 7.33. It's cm. He wants to find the length of CB. We know CB is twice of cm. 2 multiplication by 7.33 multiplication by 2, here it will be 14.6. You want to approximate it to the nearest one decimal, it will be 14.7. Okay, the result approximating to the nearest one decimal or tenths, it will be 17.7 centimeter. Okay, next question number 6. L1 and L2, where equation L1 equal y equal 5 minus x, and L1 cut two axes point D and E, and L2 cut two axes the points B and C, where AC equals 7 centimeter, several length units, find coordinates the point PC. Okay, we have two straight line was parallel. It's first and here second. Okay, we have here B and C and D and E, and here L1 and here L2, and here we have here X. Okay, L1 parallel L2, it's meaning slope of L1 equals slope of L2, and he give us in the example the equation about L1 y equal 5 minus x. It's meaning the slope here it will be -1. It's meaning the angle theta it will be what? 135. Why? Because slope equal tan theta equal -1, then theta will be shift tan -1, it will be for 135. Shift tan -1, it will be 135. This angle 135. So this angle will be 45, and we have right angle triangle. Then this side will be equal another side here. This side equals this side. Okay, understood. And this angle will be equal. We have here 45, and this angle will be 45. Alternate angle, and this side equals side, so this side will be equal in the length. And he give us in the example AC equal 7. This side here was 7 centimeter, but we know from the first equation the part here was 5, this part 5, because y equal 5 minus x, slope equal -5, -1, and the cut of y dash will be 5 units, this 5 units. But this side will be 7. He give us this information here. From A to C, this side length 7. So 7 minus 5, it will be 2. So this side length will be 2 centimeter, and this side will be 2 centimeter. Okay, this side 2 centimeter, and here 2 centimeter. Okay, then we will find the equation of L2. Then L2 such that y will be equal. We have two parts here cut down, it will be -2, and the slope will be 1, because this angle 45 and this angle 45. Okay, understood this example? Okay, so the slope about L2 it will be what? It will be exactly the slope about L1, because it's parallel. L1 was parallel to L2, then M1 will be equal M2. Okay, and then the slope here, it will be negative, right? Negative x. Negative 1 multiplication by x will be negative x, and the part was cutting here, it will be negative 2. Is the equation about L2 here, y equal negative x minus negative 2. Okay, it's the end of questions. Understood? You must study hard. But he won't find coordinate B and C. We won't find coordinate and B and C here about this example. Okay, we have 5 lines here, and this 5 lines, then the point here will be 5 and 0. It's the order of point D. And the order of point B here, it was negative 2 here, and 0. Negative 2 and 0. It was point B, okay? Negative B and negative D about this example. It was question number 1. And the question number 2, the equation, it will be y equal negative 2 minus x, or negative x minus 2, as you like. Okay, understood? You must study hard questions, and the next time I will solve, bismillah, a lot of questions or models from توجيه الدقهلية. Okay, goodbye.